this is how I got my Bamboo app verified in less than 24 hours. I've waited for 5 days after I registered with Bamboo app to buy my stock market. So why am I making this video is because I have some people that have been, sending me an emails as I didn't get their account verified and it's more than 24 hours. So that is why I am making this video, because I want to explain how you can do it to get your account verified in less than 24 hours. So the first thing you will do is make sure you do not register during the weekend. From 6 p.m. in the evening on Friday till Sunday, you will not get your account verified because they are not available to attend to your messages or your registration. If you are meeting me for the first time, I am Adekunle Adeola, popularly known as Adeola Remote Riches. I talked about how to make money online, affiliate marketing, how to start and grow your business from scratch, remote jobs. If making money online is your goal, then smash on that subscribe button. Like this video, share with your friends, and comment below if you want me to make anything for you. So let's get straight into these videos on how you can get your account verified in 24 hours.
Open your Bamboo app and log into your Bamboo app. After you log into your Bamboo app, scroll to find help. Click on help. So wait for it to load. Then it will bring you here. Click on how to contact support team. Wait for it to load as well. You have several email here. You have Bamboo Nigeria, you have Bamboo Ghana, Bamboo South Africa, and you have to choose from one of these 3 emails to send message to. So the first thing you want to do is, if you are in Nigeria, copy this support@investbamboo.com. Copy the email. You can see. You can copy the email and you can send direct email, but I don't want to send direct email. Just click on copy and go to your email address, the one you use in registering for Bamboo. Compose email, send to, double tap on your screen and click on paste. You are sending your emails to supportinvestbamboo.com, which is the Nigerian email account. And if you are in Ghana, you are in South Africa, there is email for you too. So just go to that place and compose your messages. Write your subject. Your subject should be, I want to get my account verified. This is what you will write. Good day, Bamboo. I have created my account for the past so days. Yours might be less than 24 hours, or the least minimum they should verify your account is 24 hours. But if you don't get the verification in 24 hours, then you can do this. And if you register your account during the weekend, maybe like Friday, Saturday, Sunday, yours might be more than 24 hours because they don't work during the weekend. They only work during the weekdays, the working days. Good day, Bamboo. I have created my account for the past so days. Kindly help me with the verification or activation. It is taking more than 24 hours. That is promised. Thank you. Keep it simple and easy for them to understand. Then click on the send button. So I wish you best of luck.
Welcome back, guys. I hope you'll be able to get your account verified in less than 24 hours and start investing. And in my next video, I will show you how you can use your Naira to buy stocks in international markets. If you haven't subscribed, smash on that subscribe button, like this video, share it with your friend, and do well to drop a comment below. And I will see you in my next one. Bye.